right, friends, let's head to the field. Broom. All set. Let's roll, friends.
See you at the field!
We're on our way. Hold steady back there.
Easy, one by one. You look amazing now. Hold still. Let me make you the shiniest on the farm. Hey, haha, that tickles. What a perfect day to work the fields together.
Special breakfast for my favorite guests.
Easy, you can do it. Good. See? Simple. Come on, faster. Let's go. Nice and easy. Oh, you did great.
What is he doing?
Wait. Oh no! The shark ate the wheel! Let's go! I'll fix it this time. Ha! It works! It really works! Hang on, Mr. Shark. I'll get you back to the water. Don't worry, buddy. You're going home.
Woohoo! You're safe now, buddy!
Found it! Let's go home, my friend!
Done. All fixed.